there and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating the installation of our rear door guard for MK8 Ford Transits, suitable for all van heights and wheelbase lengths. For full vehicle fitment information, please check the link in the description. In this kit, you will receive an external van door shield finished in stainless steel, a closed-cell foam gasket to stop water ingress, and an internal anodized green shield to act as a double security measure against thieves. You will receive a full fitting kit comprising of a drilling template and 11 nylock nuts and stainless steel washers. There are two sizes of nylock nuts, 10mm and 8mm. Do not mix these up. The external shields can easily be colour matched to your van. We recommend them to be primed and painted by a professional body shop. We do not offer this service. To install, firstly remove the door card by pressing a trim removal tool around the outside of the card. Remove the internal membrane of the door with a Stanley blade. Do so carefully. At the end of the installation, you would want to reinstall this skin for sound insulation. Place a small amount of grease over the section where the guard will be installed. Place the paper template on the door, ensuring the curved edge is in the top right-hand corner. The grease allows the template to stick to the door and be moved around. Ensure the guard is 2mm from the edge of the door and plastic trim. Use a punch on the centre points on the template. If you do not have a punch, you can use a screw bit and a hammer. Cover the punch marks with pieces of masking tape. Use the punch over the top of the tape if necessary. Using a 3mm drill bit, drill pilot holes on each punch mark. Open up the holes to 9mm. We used a 6mm drill bit firstly, then moved up to a 9mm. Remove the masking tape and clean up any swarf by wiping down the surface of the door. Remove the template and offer up the guard to the door. Check that the guard fits snugly in the drilled holes. Use a paint pen or touch-up kit to go over the drilled holes. Wait for it to dry. Go over with a good quality wax oil spray. Both of these measures prevent rust. Place the foam gasket over the outer door shield and press into the door. The outermost studs will require the smaller size nylock nuts. We found it best to hold the outer guard in place with one hand whilst installing the top and bottom washers with the other, then installing the 8mm nylock nuts by hand. Go over with an 8mm ratchet spanner, then install the centre two washers and nuts. Do not over-tighten the nuts. This can cause the studs to snap. Slot the inner guard over the top of the studs. This is the fiddliest part of the install. You may find it easier to push the studs out of the door, slot the inner guard in place, then press the studs through the inner guard. Press the stainless steel washers and hand tighten the larger 10mm nylock nuts over the top. Then tighten with a 10mm adjustable head ratchet spanner. Again, do not over-tighten the nuts. This may cause the studs to snap. Tighten the nuts until the door, gasket and exterior shield are flush with each other. If you cannot see the gasket or it looks squashed, you have over-tightened the nuts. Glue the protective membrane of the door back on. This can be done with glue dots, silicone or superglue. Then press on the door card. This completes the installation. This product is now available to purchase on our website, eBay or Amazon stores. Please click the link in the description to purchase the product. If you have any comments or questions, contact us on the email address or telephone number on the screen.